Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this envelope that I came up with myself. I came up with this idea when I was thinking about envelopes and I wondered if I can make one. It's really easy. You're going to need a glue stick, scissors, and some paper. First, you fold your origami paper in half. Now fold it again, but the opposite way. Then you have two lines. Fold the top corner to the center of your paper. Fold the bottom corner to the center of your paper. Fold the other bottom corner a little bit. Use your glue stick to glue the tip closed. Now glue along the sides. Now fold it in like this. Now use your scissors to cut the top of the envelope. This part is optional if you want your envelope to have a rounded corner. Fold the top of your envelope close and press to make a crease. You can make this envelope out of all different kinds of papers. I made a giant one out of a map. Now you have your envelope. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.